is life? What does this life mean to you? Check it from a Rastaman point of view, and you see that life is sweet, and what you make it. To some it is a burden, to I man it's a journey. Good
morning, RVADVENTUREEXPLORER. Alright, y'all know my name is Juan, and for those of y'all that new to the channel, how you doing? Hope that you like the videos that we put out, and even if you didn't, hey, we're gonna get better. But we at the Atlanta Motor Speedway this weekend, and gonna enjoy the events that they have here. Well, ran into another issue, which you know we're gonna have issues. My heater broke. The thermostat, no problem. The blower, no problem. It has failed to light. So there's a couple of issues that it could be. I don't have the tool to check the voltage, and I don't feel like going out and buying none. So I have two options. I can go ahead and buy those two parts and put it on and hope that one of the two parts was the one that's broke, or I could go ahead and contact a mobile maintenance. Haven't made the decision yet, but I'm going through my book and pulling out the book for the book and get the proper name of the part and what else that could go wrong. But it's either, I think they call it it's the steer switch, which usually that will go bad if it's dirty. This is new, and I just had it serviced back in December and January. No, December. I had it serviced. So it's not the steer switch, but if it did went bad, it sounds like it could be the steer if I hear the clicking. So if I hear the clicking, that means it's probably the one on the back side of it. But usually that go bad when it overheats. Well, it's the system new, so why would it overheat? But anyway, parts do break. So I'm thinking about just going and replacing both of them, and it should work. I could do that based on how much the parts cost. I don't think it costs that much, but I can either do that or either pay for a mobile mechanic. What I'm probably going to do is, depending on how much the mobile mechanic will cost versus me just buying those two parts, and I put it on myself, I'm going to do that. But I only have like 1.5 days pretty much to get that fixed, unless I put off it until we get to South Carolina, because I got, you know, Saturday and Sunday is the race, got events going on, and then that Monday I'm going to do an oil change, and that's also a travel day, so that's going to be a long day. And then I'll be home at my dad's house that Tuesday. Then the end of the week, we're going to be going to Carolina Pines to meet other content creators and just build a relationship and get to know them, you know, and then basically learn from them what they're doing right and what I'm doing wrong, you know. And then just go from there. They can tell me, hey, this is what you're doing wrong. You need to tweak this. This is what you could do better. Learning an event, and then not even that's part of it, but the other part is just building relationships, because we all are RVers, and I want to get to a place where if I go to this state, hey, so live in this state, let's go see them, say hey, what's up, you know, whatever. Because I mean, right now for this first year, we're gonna go around traveling and see all the different places and all that. But I want to get to a point where we make a go to different places and stuff with the group. Because it's better when you hang around people, you know, people that you know. You go, it strengthens numbers. So if I know that these group is going up north, then we might tag along with them. But anyway, my heater broke. Now it's supposed to be warming up, but this last couple of days in Atlanta, the temperature dropped 19 degrees. I need a heater because our little I'll tell you the story. I bought 2 heaters, a small one and a big one. I think was it Destin? No, it made it to Destin. But we got to, I think, Stark in Gainesville. The big heater went out, which is brand new, but the heater went out. I'm like, what? So I had to toss that. Then I got this little heater. The little heater only works if your foot is near it. So, but it could not keep the RV at a certain temperature. So that crapped out. I lost 2 heaters, spent money on 2 heaters that didn't work. So we did a little bit of research. We found out ceramic heaters may work a little bit. So I got this ceramic heater. The heater went out like yesterday, and the ceramic heater was able to keep this RV at between 72 and 75 degrees. But it was only 50 degrees outside. So if you get colder than that, what would that heater do? Because, you know, hey, I can't stand cold. My wife tells me all the time, let's do this, let's do that. Look, if I'm cold, I don't do anything. You know, it could be as hot as I could work with it. But cold makes with my mental. And it always has. Ever since I nearly, training in the military, we get cold and all of that. And I had an incident where my foot was so cold, I was about to pull my knife out and just cut both of my foot off. It was so cold. And then it either hurt when they was trying to warm my feet up. It was like, oh my Lord. It was so cold. Well, y'all can't really imagine unless you've been in the service when you've really been real cold. When you've been really cold and your fingertips and your toes, like, basically feel like it disappeared. Oh, man. That's cold. But I always had a problem with cold. So, that's a weakness. So, anyway. But anyway, hey, we got heater issues. We'll see you on the next video, or we'll see you at the next event, our campground. Good morning. Alright, RV Adventure Explorer. Alright, this morning, I had said previously that we having some heater issues. So I've been checking out a couple of videos, and basically what they were saying is either the limit switch or the sail switch. So what I'm attempting to do today is check the sail switch to see if that's the problem. It's not a how-to video. This is a video that tells you what I did to fix the problem. So if the problem fixed and works, it's a success. And if it don't work, we keep figuring it out. But for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Juan. I'm one half of RV Adventure Explorer. Alright, today I already took the screws out. So now we're going to pull it off and we're going to check the sail switch. So, hey, let's see. Alright, this is a sail switch right here. We're going to need some tools. Reset it. I'm going to try it one more time, see if it fires up. Alright. flicking, so I have no clue why it's not. That's not it. Alright, got the new one. This part right here cost me $30.99. And if this don't fix the problem, I'll waste it. $30.99. Alright, got that. Alright. Goes like that. Goes in. Like that. Goes like that. Alright. Alright, that's correct. Alright. Got it. Put that in there like that. So if this don't work, it could be the limit switch, or either it could be a couple of other stuff. Let's just hope it's this. Then I have one of my first videos of the second video of success. Alright. Pull this off. This goes on the bottom. Alright. Pull this off. Alright. Done changed this out. Hit the reset. I'm going to, hold on. Let's see if that works. Got heat. Stay on switch. Alright. It cost me $30.99 for the sales switch. I also paid, and I'll probably put this in the link below. Also bought a limit switch. It's brand new, so if you need a limit switch, I have it. This is for a medium-sized domestic heater. It's like 30111. I have a limit switch for you if you need it. I'll sell it to you half price. And you can. My email is in the description too. But right now we have heat. So the heat. Oh Lord, this works. All right. So it saved me a service call out here. There's nobody nowhere near. So we have heat. It was a sales switch. So this one right here is bad. Toss that. Easy fix. Now imagine how much this would have cost if I would have called somebody out here, and if I would have took it back to a dealership. My RV number 1 will be sitting for about a month, so we will have to be in a hotel for about a month. Yeah, before they gonna take them a week just to get to it. So it worked. So I don't even know what to say. But hey, RV Adventure Explorer, I'm Juan. I just fixed my heater. It's the sales switch.
Stressing every day, cause the way that you're living, see it in your face, ain't no faking the feeling. We could get away and be chillin'. We could get away and be chillin'. We could go today and get away for a minute. Party every day, do your thing to the rhythm. We could get away.